Alright guys, this is Zachary Will. Got the Ed Scully 243. Go live. We are live. 2:43 p.m. 2:43 p.m. Grab a list. And we will drop that into random. With 10 entries. Timmy's got the ends. Alright, 2 dice, 5 or higher. 4, that's not high enough. We're going to roll 2 dice again. Looking for 5 or higher. 8, that's good. 8 times. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 times. Dice is an 8. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 8. Congrats, Jeff Scott. Spot number 9. You are the winner. Get in touch with Zach. He will get that to you. 244. Go back. We will type done. We are done. 244. 244. Here is verification and the timestamp.